Is the shortage of RAM and SSDs today just another tech bubble about to burst? Or is it a harbinger of things to come? The global supply chain has faced unprecedented challenges, from chip shortages to factory closures during the pandemic. As demand surges for AI hardware, these disruptions are exacerbating the shortage. As more businesses and consumers adopt AI-driven technologies, demand for powerful hardware has surged. This rapid uptake is straining existing supply chains and pushing prices up. Producing advanced chips requires cutting-edge facilities and specialized expertise. The rapid growth in AI means traditional manufacturing can't keep up with the pace of innovation, leading to significant delays. The energy-intensive nature of chip production and mining for rare earth elements is putting a strain on resources. This not only raises sustainability concerns, but also increases costs. With supply struggling to meet demand, prices for RAM and SSDs have skyrocketed. Speculators are driving up costs further, making it difficult for consumers to access affordable tech. Tech giants like Samsung and Micron are ramping up production capacity to meet the soaring demand. However, building new factories is a lengthy process that can take years. Innovations such as 3D chip stacking and AI-driven manufacturing processes aim to increase efficiency and output. However, these technologies are still in their infancy and won't provide immediate relief. Efforts are underway to recycle materials from outdated devices to reduce reliance on raw resources. While this is a step in the right direction, it's a slow process that won't solve the immediate shortage. With prices soaring and availability scarce, consumers are feeling the pinch. Upgrades to AI-enabled devices that were once affordable have now become unaffordable for many people. The RAM and storage shortage isn't just a tech issue. It's affecting the broader economy, with knock-on effects across industries that rely on these components for their operations. Governments are exploring ways to stabilize markets and ensure fair distribution of critical tech supplies. Balancing regulation with the need for innovation is a delicate task. While quick fixes like recycling help in the short term, long-term solutions will require a fundamental shift in how we produce and consume technology. This involves sustainable practices and new innovations. As AI continues to evolve, the demand for powerful hardware will only increase. How the industry responds in the coming years could shape technology trends globally and influence future innovation. Is this tech bubble about to pop, or is it a sign of deeper systemic issues? The answer will likely depend on how quickly the industry can adapt and innovate in response to these challenges.